Hey, it's Gabriel here with another credit tip for today. In my workshop this weekend, I had some really good questions that were asked of me, and I think a couple of them will really serve you well here today. So the first question was, what's the best way to buy a car? Okay, this is obviously if a person has really good credit scores and all that, there's still a tactic or technique that I think you should follow to purchase a vehicle. And one is you should get your pre-approval before you start shopping for your vehicle. You should go to your bank or your credit union to get a pre-approval before you start shopping for a vehicle. Why? Because if you go to the dealership and you pick out the car, you're gonna have them access your credit and send your credit profile to maybe 10 or 12 banks to see who will give you the best approval. Well, that's gonna cause your credit score to go down. But if you have a pre-approval, you kind of know what your price range is, and you're just able to negotiate with the dealer for the price, but you use your pre-approval to make the purchase. So after purchasing the vehicle, your scores won't drop so much because of a lot of inquiries. You'll only have 2 inquiries, one from your bank and one from the dealership, okay? And then a question came up, what's the best time to buy a car? Like most people think the holidays is a good time to buy a car, which it is, okay? But there's also another time that's really optimal to purchase a car, and that's the end of the month. At the end of the month. So if you're not in a holiday season where, of course, all the dealerships are advertising discounts, right? The best time to buy a car is at the end of the month because the dealers are trying to move as many units to complete the month with their numbers up, with their sales up, right? So you get a inherited kind of discount from their passion and drive to move more units. You're typically are going to get a better deal for the car. So the first thing is get a pre-approval with your bank or your credit union. Then 2, make your purchase towards the end of the month, like the last 7 days, and you'll get thousands in savings if you do those 2 things. That's your tip for the day.